good day, sir. By the way, I am Jacqueline K. Dukuyan Lao, BSMT 3rd year. This is my report about the weather routine chart. So, the aim of weather routine is to achieve optimum speed in order to perform the voyage as energy efficient as possible, reducing bunker consumption while providing the safety of ship, crew, and cargo. IMO has publicity state that utilizing weather routine service reduce fuel consumption by up to 3% and even further with larger vessels. Some would still argue that there is a conflict between being green and at the same time operating a profitable business. However, with a large proven fuel saving seen from weather routine demonstrate that being sustainable will have an economic benefit. Weather including currents, wave, winds, and swell has been found to affect the performance of a vessel by 50 and 80% and cost thousands of US dollars in additional fuel consumption. Routining a vessel based on predicted current and weather condition is about improving the fuel efficiency, keeping to the sailing schedule, and remaining safe. VPO Global spoke with Dr. Thomas Weber, Product Manager, Fleet DSS Store Geo Shipping, to find out about how weather can affect the performance and cost of operating a vessel. The main purpose of ship routining is to recommend safe and efficient routes, taking into account constraints like weather, trade holes, or the nature of the cargo. In addition, liner ships have a required arrival time that necessitates a speed recommendation to be given along with the recommended track. Wind roses. The statistical wind data used in the production of the wind roses comes from ships' observation within each 5x5 area. In areas where the number of observation is below 100, no data is shown. Explanation: the frequency of wind from any direction is given account to the scale. The scale is further subdivided to indicate the frequency of winds of different Bureau-front force according to the legend. Number of observation, percentage of variable winds, percentage of calms. So this is one sample of feature of a weather map. So H stands for high air symbol, and then L is low air symbol. This is thought area of low point but not low, and then isobar line, and then cold front, and then title, issue, or validity. So another sample of weather routine chart. This green line or green color is tropical zone, and then the blue one is winter zone, and then the orange one is summer zone. So, principle of weather routine. Different from climatological routining. Weather routining has been made possible by frequent weather observation, including prognosis chart. Weather routining make use of actual weather condition as well as weather forecast in the vicinity of the route planned. Advantage of weather routine: greater safety of vessel, less chance of cargo shifting, more comfortable for person on board, faster passage time, saves repair costs and time, more accurate ETA. Voyage plan. A good voyage plan with all the information, including the information needed in the emergency, is the only basis for a safe voyage. Full voyage planning may not always result in an accident, but it puts the watchkeeping officer in a wake position if things go wrong. And inevitably, they will one day. As well as reducing accidents and improving safety. Regulation 34 of SOLAS Chapter 5 requires all ships to have voyage plan before producing to sea. The information that gives free the watchkeeping officer from spending time on reference book and tables. It will ensure that the officer fully aware of the master's requirements. The plan has to cover the entire voyage plan from port to port. It must be completed well before departure and must be approved by the master. If the voyage plan will be my responsibility, I need to be aware by doing it properly, and it takes time. First step that I need to do is to check all the necessary chart and publication are up to date and no change as taking in place to the scheduled destination. Next, there must be a discussion with the master and me to take in account all the commercial requirements of the voyage and any of there is any change of the schedule of the destination. The master experience will enable to suggest a route pointing out potential hazards. Example of passage or voyage plan. Voyage plan is developed and used by ship's bridge team to find the safest and the most favorable and economical route. This comprehensive plan, which covers the voyage from berth to berth and is adapted into the bridge management practice, should be detailed and easy to understand. So, it is important to study about the weather routine chart because if magpataka ra tag adto sa usa ka lugar sir sa magpataka ra og navigate wala ta kabalo nga kana dayng lugar is naay ocean currents, then naay ice limit, tas iyaang wind is needed nga may baw-an ug asa paingon ang current sa hangin. And also manginangan pud ta og voyage plan or passage plan para natay saktong routine, and if ever nga kanang lugar is naay bagyo makaplanta og another passage plan or makagama taglaing backup nga plan. So that's it sir. God bless and stay safe. Thank you.